Yo, he's a scammer, bro. I have the video right here. He gave him all this stuff, so Forsaken, whatever his name is. He gave him all that stuff for the Chroma Slasher. He gave him all the stuff first, and then he scammed him. He scammed him. Forkseed is a scammer. Forsaken is a scammer. Look, watch. He gives him the godlies. Then he goes to give him the Chroma Bone Blade for the... He scammed his whole inventory except for his Chroma. And he leaves. He's a scammer. Alright guys, I'm gonna upload this video. He's like, oh, I'm so confused. No, you're not. You're scammed. You're a scammer. Scammed.